I'll guide you through setting up, funding, and placing your first trade on Polymarket so you can start trading real-world events and manage your position safely without getting confused by the order book or network fees. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Unlike traditional sportsbooks or casino platforms, Polymarket operates as a peer-to-peer prediction market where you trade outcome shares directly against other users. Every market question resolves to a simple yes or no, with shares priced between 1 cent and $1. The share price directly reflects the current probability of the event, meaning a 65-cent share equals a 65% market perceived chance of happening. If your prediction wins at resolution, every winning share redeems for exactly $1 USDC. To get started on Polymarket without complex Web3 configuration, navigate to polymarket.com on your desktop browser or mobile app. Click Sign Up or Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Select your preferred registration method, log in with Google, Apple, or your email address. Alternatively, connect an existing self-custody wallet like MetaMask. When signing up with an email or social login, Polymarket automatically generates a secure, non-custodial crypto wallet tied to your profile behind the scenes. Here's how to fund your account. Polymarket uses USDC, a $1,1 US stablecoin, running on the Polygon network for instant, low-cost settlements. Click the deposit button at the top of your dashboard. For direct in-app funding, choose credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, or ACH bank transfer via built-in providers like MoonPay to purchase USDC directly. To place your first trade, locate an event and open a position. Browse categories such as politics, tech, crypto, or pop culture using the top navigation bar or search tool. Select a question and evaluate the current yes and no share prices. Choose your desired outcome, then select whether you want to place a market order or a limit order. A market order fills immediately at the best available ask price in the order book, whereas a limit order lets you set a specific price you are willing to pay and waits for the order book to match it to save money on the spread. Enter the dollar amount you wish to trade, review your potential to win payout, and click Buy to execute the trade. You don't have to wait for an event to officially end. If news moves in your favor and your 40-cent share rises to 75 cents, click Sell under your Portfolio tab to lock in your profits immediately. To cash out your funds back to your bank account, go to your profile menu and select Withdraw. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Paste the USDC deposit address of your crypto exchange or personal Web3 wallet on the Polygon network. Confirm the transfer, and once received, convert your USDC into local currency on your primary exchange to send directly to your bank account. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.